In this video I'll show you how to build a foot switch to change channels from your amp's clean sound to distortion. I figured this out when I took an old patch cord, cut it, and plugged it into the foot switch jack on my amp. Wires not touching distortion, wires touching clean. So here I have an old data switch box that I use for a case. You see I have two buttons there. One was for my distortion, one's for my reverb. So I already soldered my wires and it's all ready, so I just got to solder my power to one pin and my negative to the other. Here's a better view. I just the soldering. So here I'm just showing you distortion on, distortion off. My next project will be adding a USB light to show when it's on and off.